beginning of ReverseAds!
We really have one goal. Everyone here has probably used a search engine in the past. And when you search, a little ad comes up next to when you search. Well, that little tiny ad does $130 billion US a year.
3, 2, 1!
The reason we're invested in this company is because the technology that Michael has created is going to rival Google. It's going to be a great company and it's going to make a difference. And it's going to bring a lot of new technology to Phuket.
The global pandemic has driven the advertising battle online. This is why we have decided to build an agency at the back of our advertising technology.